Another blessings from our field or from our garden. They call it here crumb or Chinese pichay. See, as you can see. And some tomatoes, green chilies, and eggplants. So I have to prepare now this one for our lunch and dinner. Now let's start saute now onions for these vegetables, this scrum or Chinese pichay. First I boil it, then so I have to strain this one. And now we have to put now this organic native garlics, slices of garlics. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we have to put now first this chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt, to be followed by tomatoes, organic tomatoes. Hindi na slice of buo. Okay lang yan, matutunaw din. Now let's check. Tomatoes is already paste. So we have to put first this slices of potatoes. I will put also some potatoes because it's more tasty if there is potatoes. And this one after I will put. So we have to cover it. Sana ba yung cover? Ayan. And while cooking, eating organic cucumber, dwarf apples, and yung balat, pakain sa kambing, and yung mani. Ayan. Kutkot tayo ng mani. Sarap ng bawang. Crunchy. Dwarf apple. Combination of sweet and sour. Ang dami doon sa taas, nahuhulog. Ang advantage talaga dito sa village, makakapagtanim ka ng iba't ibang gulay, prutas, fruits, or vegetables, any kind of vegetables. Pero kung masipag lang magtanim, may aanihin ka talaga pag oras ng mag-harvest. Pero kung tamad, wala kang ma-harvest. Kaya sila kay, buti na lang sila kay masipag magtanim-tanim ng kahit ano-anong gulay at saka prutas. Gaya nito. Si Lakay na din ang nag-harvest, pati yung talong, kamatis. At saka green chilies. This kind of roasted peanuts with garlics, nobody is eating here. They like this peanuts here with shell, and they cook in sand, yung buhangin. And nobody is cooking here also boiled peanuts, and also this roasted peanuts. And we don't have eggplant o peanut, siguro kung may binhi, pwedeng magtanim dito sa aking lugar. Pero walang binhi eh. Inshallah pag may uuwi o inshallah pag nakauwi ako ng Pilipinas, magdala ako ng binhi para maitanim dito. Kasi masarap. I will send the picture kung paano sila magluto ng with shell ba, with buhangin. Kaya ayaw nila ito, ako lang kakain. Silang gusto niya pag sinubuan mo siya kakain. Si Fatma, tinikman niya lang. Sila Kai at saka si Fahad, ayaw nila. Kasi hindi ito familiar sa kanila na ganito ang pagluluto na roasted peanuts. Now we'll check because potatoes is already half cooked. Now we can put now this half-boiled strained crumb or Chinese pichay. Yan. Pwede din nyo i-direct na lutuin. Kaya lang, my husband said we have to boil first. Kasi sabi daw, nagkakaroon daw ng gas itong gulay na ito. Itong crumb o kaya Chinese pichay. So, para mawala-wala yung gas ba. Kaya binoil ko. Tapos strain, tapon yung tubig. Ayan. So after a few minutes, I will cook also chapatis for our lunch. And I will eat today chapati also for lunch. And I will fry also eggplant. My husband said you fry ko daw yung prito ko daw yung talong with green chilies. Now let's check. I'm sure this is already cooked. This is best partner of chapati. So I will make now chapati. So I have to turn off now the flame and I have to fry also two pieces of eggplant and green chilies. Let's fry now eggplant, green chilies. So yun, doon ako magpiprito sa non-stick na frying pan. So tama na siguro itong dalawa kasi may green chilies tapos may vegetable. And then I have to cook also chips, potato chips. My husband requests, he like to eat chips with this eggplant, green chilies, and vegetables. So magprito na tayo doon. Ayan. After this eggplant, I will chips also, and then chapatis. Oil is very hot. Ang ganda ng talong, walang sira. Walang uod ba. That one you are buying in bazaar, in market. Ang daming mga uod, tapos matigas pa. Ito fresh talaga. We'll put now also this green chilies. I think I'll try more one eggplant. Fatma, you like also eggplant? Huh? You like? This one chips also. I want to make chips. Potato chips. Ayan. Fry na tayo ng chips. Ayan na silang gat. Gutom na. Now making chapati. I cook already chips. I fried already chips. Potato chips. Clapping, clapping. Kain tayo. Ito yung share. Sino yung gutom, yon maglagay ng ng chips. Tapos yung pritong talong, green chilies, at saka yung vegetables with potatoes and then ketchup. So with chapati. Ayan. Hindi kami sabay-sabay dito kakain kung sino yung gutom. Siya yung kakain. Pero ano talaga, silangga talaga yung pinapauna namin pakainin. So kain tayo.